Good day. My name is Gianna Fridzi Ventura Persiano, and I'm from Gataran, Cagayan, Philippines. I am currently studying hospitality management at St. Paul University, Philippines. Thank you for watching my introductory video for the Summer Work and Travel program. I'm very excited to join the Summer Work and Travel program because I want to experience American culture, improve my English communication skills, and gain international work experience that will help me grow both personally and professionally. I am looking forward to meeting new people, learning independence, and challenging myself in a new environment. I am applying for housekeeping and kitchen associate. These roles match my skills, interests, and previous hands-on experience from school activities and training. Throughout my studies and my involvement in various university events, I have developed strong skills in different areas of hospitality. I am a certified housekeeping NC2 holder, which strengthen my abilities in maintaining cleanliness, room preparation, and meeting professional standards. I also gained kitchen and food service skills by assisting in food and beverage service during conferences and university events. This experience enhanced my communication and customer service skills, as well as my time management, multitasking, teamwork, leadership, adaptability, and flexibility, all of which help me perform effectively in a fast-paced work environment. I have also served as an organizer and facilitator in events like the PHRTS Send-Off Ceremony, NSTP Community Outreach, MICE Business Expo, and international research conferences. These experiences taught me responsibility, cooperation, and how to work efficiently under pressure. I believe I'm a strong candidate because I'm hardworking, reliable, and always willing to learn. I am comfortable with physically demanding tasks and can handle responsibilities such as cleaning rooms, organizing supplies, assisting in the kitchen, and ensuring a clean and safe work environment. I also enjoy helping others and making them feel welcome, which I know is important in hospitality. Thank you very much for considering my application. I am truly motivated to be part of the Summer Work and Travel program, and I would be honored to work with your team at Delaware North Ridgeline Hotel. I look forward to learning new skills, contributing positively, and experiencing life in the United States this coming summer. Have a wonderful day.